is true that privacy is a myth. It's just the state of mind for that moment. Our digital footprint is increasingly visible and tracked. It's not entirely accurate to say that privacy is completely non existent. Welcome to VAR Indian User. It is a growing concern that true privacy is increasingly difficult to achieve in the digital age. While privacy can be a state of mind, a sense of control over personal information, many argue that this sense is often illusory due to the pervasive nature of data collection, surveillance, and the interconnectedness of digital technologies. Secondly, our personal data is collected by various entities, including companies, governments, and online platforms. These data can be used to target advertisements, personalize content, and even influence our behavior. From social media platforms to mobile apps and even everyday devices like smart speakers, there is constant collection of personal data. Often, this data is shared with third parties, sometimes without the user's full understanding or consent. Many platforms offer privacy settings that allow us to control how our data is used. However, these settings can be complex and difficult to understand. At the same time, new technologies such as artificial intelligence and facial recognition raise further concerns about privacy. These technologies can be used to track our movements, analyze our behavior, and even predict our future actions. In many parts of the world, government agencies engage in extensive surveillance activities. This can include monitoring online communications, tracking location data, and collecting information about individuals' habits and associations, often justified in the name of national security. Having said that, it's challenging to maintain complete privacy in the digital age. It's important to be aware, move the risks, and take steps to protect our personal information. Moving forward, every online action leaves a digital footprint that can be traced, stored, and analyzed. Whether it's search history, social media activity, or online purchases, these traces contribute to a profile that can be used in ways beyond the user's control. Ultimately, while privacy may feel like a state of mind, it's important to recognize the external forces at play that challenge that perception and to take proactive steps to safeguard as much privacy as possible in a highly connected world. Let's look into today's headlines. HFCL enhances BSNL's broadband network. One of the biggest deployments of broadband network gateways based on the control and user plane separation architecture worldwide for Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) has been finished by HFCL Limited. Initiated in October 2022, the project has an approximate value of 390 crore rupees. In order to provide better high-speed data services for fiber to the home and enterprise applications, BSNL's network efficiency is increased by the new infrastructure. Google launches a new Gemini AI-powered feature for Gmail on Android. Google has announced that the Gmail Q&A feature is coming to Android devices. It is a new Gemini AI-powered feature that maintains Google's trends of integrating AI into its many apps and services. Gmail Q&A provides similar features to the web's side panel. Users can ask Gemini questions about their mailbox or search for specific details in their emails. Reliance announced green energy powered data centers for AI in Jamnagar. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani announced Thursday that the business will work to democratize artificial intelligence by constructing AI ready data centers in Gujarat's Jamnagar. During his address at the 47th annual general meeting, Ambani stated that under Reliance Jio's AI Everywhere for Everyone vision, the business intends to provide AI and related services to Indians at reasonable pricing. Accenture appoints Arundhati Chakravarti as Group CEO of Accenture Operations. Arundhati Chakravarti has been appointed Group Chief Executive of Accenture Operations starting September 1st. Chakravarti has a proven track record of delivering complex transformations, particularly in her current role as leader of over 185,000 Accenture employees across more than 125 intelligent operations centers, with a focus on compressed transformative via analytics, artificial intelligence, and automation. Yusuf Tayob will become Accenture's worldwide communications, media, and technology industry practices chair. Federal Bank launches first of its kind facial payment system in India. Private sector bank Federal Bank has introduced Smile Pay, a facial recognition based payment system, making it the first of its kind in India. Smile Pay allows customers to complete transactions using facial recognition technology and is currently being piloted in collaboration with Reliance Retail and Savantara Micro Housing SMHFC at select branches and outlets. The system is built on the UIDAI's face authentication service, ensuring secure transactions. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.